Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com and kingstonpowdercoating.com. I'd like to share with you what we're going to be doing with some wheels. So we're known, we've done, I don't know, I guess I would say hundreds of sets of wheels where we do powder coating. So we'll take old alloy wheels like these. So these are our older Ford alloy wheel. And traditionally, most of the manufacturers will powder coat primer on the alloy wheel. They powder coat a paint color, and then they typically spray a clear coat, automotive clear, on top, not a baked on. We do things a little bit differently here. So at kingstonpowdercoating.com, you can see this wheel is it's an older Honda wheel. It came off of a Honda Element. It looked just as nasty as these. We've got some before pictures of those. So those were sandblasted, they were powder coated with primer, they were powder coated with paint, and then powder coated with a high gloss clear. It's much more durable than this. So most of you out there in the alloy wheel world, so if you have alloy wheels on your vehicle, even if they're just a year or two old, this is traditionally what we see every single day. So what's happening, I think it'll probably show up in the camera, is all of this pitting, and what's happening is it's stone chips that are hitting the wheels, and then those stone chips create an opening in the clear coat, and that's where you're seeing all this reaction, all these bubbles. So the only way to do these rims properly is to media blast them or sandblast them to bare metal. So we have to remove all the layers of product to the bare alloy, and then once we do that, then we can turn them into whatever we want. So if the client wants to have powder coating, there's probably 65 different colors or so. But then something that a lot of people are asking for, we signed up with our friends at raptorliner.ca, and there's been a lot of people that have seen our Bedliner product and our color Bedliner product. So we're getting a lot of calls on that and asking about the durability of a Bedliner paint product on alloy wheels. So this is basically going to be a before, and we're going to do kind of a little comparison. So these wheels are going to end up going on with some oversized tires on a custom Ford Ranger. So they're the same bolt pattern. I think these are off an Escape. So what we're going to do is we're going to media blast these. We'll share with you another video to show you what they look like when they're media blasted before we coat them. And then these are going to receive the normal black medium texture Bedliner product. And that will bond or adhere perfectly to this alloy wheel. We've got a couple of friends that have done this product on their alloy wheels about 2 years ago, drive on gravel roads and have no stone chipping whatsoever. So we'll share with you this whole process. So step one, we took the tires off. We have a state-of-the-art tire machine and balancer. So we've taken the tires off, the valves and the weights. We're going to media blast them. Everything is done here in-house. We'll treat the wheel, we'll put it in an oven, gas off, take all the gases and chemicals out of the alloy, and then we'll mask them, prepare them for a Bedliner coating. With these wheels, we're just going to do the normal black, and then we'll share with you what they look like throughout this process. So thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com and kingstonpowdercoating.com.